absolutely everything going on here. Control systems, the iDrive is turning off and turning on, the engine's running. I think the battery has totally gone. It's not in a good way at all. Everything, ABS and steering and everything is coming up as though it's faulty, so I'm going to shut this down because it's just totally lost the plot. I had it on trickle charge all night, but this car's become undrivable. It's just surging, and I really do think that the battery is totally given out.
Oh, my BMW wasn't happy that day. That clicking and off and on, that wasn't me. That was doing that all by itself. This is our 5 Series BMW 2007. My wife was driving back, probably about a 20-25 minute drive, and halfway through the drive, the car just started to go psycho on her. And what do I mean by psycho? Well, it actually kept up transmission fault, and then lost all power and went to limp home mode. BMWs have a mode where they will go to a safety mode, so you can't rev them and drive them normally, but instead of shutting down on the side of the road and forcing you to get a tow, they will allow you to drive home. I got home and you just saw the Christmas tree of lights. It was power window fault, it was power steering fault, it was auto transmission fault, but I did take it for a drive while the automatic transmission fault was up, trying to work out what was going on, and the automatic transmission was shifting and driving absolutely perfectly, absolutely fine. I took it up to the shops, just a little 3-minute run, and couldn't even travel 3 minutes before it would switch into the limp home mode. I wondered if the battery had just gone flat, so I put it on trickle charge overnight, and that's when I then turned it on, that little display that you saw the next morning. What do you do in that situation? Well, I took it down to the local. I've got a local place that BMW Specialist has all the big scanners and all the rest of it. I was sus on the battery, but needed to get that checked, and he went through, put it on all of his scanners, and got it checked. And sure enough, a cell had actually gone in the battery. I've had this before. When a battery is no good in a BMW and it starts to not deliver enough voltage, you get all sorts of weird things, like, scares the living daylights out of you. Transmission fault, do not drive the car, all of this, and it's just a result of the battery going bad. So when your BMW goes nuts and all those things go wild, one of the first things to look at is the battery. Now, my battery was a genuine BMW battery that was 13 months old, and when I took it in, I actually eventually got that replaced under warranty. And when I took it in, they said to me, nah, it won't be the battery, it'll be something else. I said, look, I've had it to another mechanic, and they've said the cell's gone in the battery. So they did eventually switch it, but they were just so confident that it wouldn't be a problem. But of course, you always get some batteries that are a problem, even genuine BMW ones, and it just so happened to be mine. So there you go. If your car lights up like a Christmas tree, all sorts of faults, all sorts of warnings, think battery. And if your battery's been flat for some reason, give it a charge and get it fully charged up. And there's debate on the internet as to whether you have to disconnect the battery or not. I did try and put it on a trickle charge overnight, and it didn't actually lift the voltage. So I'm going with what they're saying, that you need to actually disconnect the battery and then put the trickle charger onto the battery by itself. I've got a link here for how to get the battery out. Have a look at that as to how to get the battery out on a 5 Series BMW. I've also got one for how to get the battery out of a 1 Series BMW. I'll put that link up as well, so you can have a look at those. But there you go. Maybe it's not as bad as you thought. Maybe it's not the whole car's dead. Maybe it just needs a battery.